Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall at Make Money Online Niches, and my website, which is makemoneyonline-niches.com. You can find a link to that in the description below this video. Now today I'm bringing you a review of a product called FOMO Clips. Now this product is launching basically it's launching in the pre-launch from the 21st of October, and the cart opens on Saturday the 23rd of October and closes again on the 27th of October for the launch period, the special price period. Now, FOMO Clips is the name of the product. It's a software, cloud-based software, that helps to put an overlay on videos or create small videos that are 3D animated and basically help to get more engagement on your posts and ads on social media. So what I want to do is show you the bonuses I have available if you decide to pick up FOMO Clips through my link, which will be the first link in the description box below this video. And then basically what I want to do is have a look at the sales page, and then there is a demonstration video that you can watch at the end of my video. There's a demonstration video. So let's go and have a look at my bonus page first. Okay, so here we are on my bonus page for FOMO Clips, and basically it is, like I say, a product that helps you to get more engagement on your posts or advertisements that you put on various social media platforms. So let's have a look. Basically, an animated scroll-stopping, attention-grabbing videos, so that when people are on social media, Instagram, Facebook, wherever, then they see the animated video. And I have got a couple of examples further down my bonus page. So you can actually get more views on your posts, which means more traffic going to the posts. And if you're promoting something, obviously more clicks into your promotion. So that is how this FOMO Clips works. Now, what I want to do is quickly go over the funnel prices for this product. So basically you got your front end product, which is $38 throughout the promotion, where you could get the software, the cloud-based software application, and where you can make videos for different platforms, because obviously they come in different sizes. You've got square, vertical, landscape videos, and you can do it all in one click. Now there's a commercial license included, so that means if you run an agency or you work for other people creating advertisements or websites or whatever it is that you do within your agency work, well, this product could be of help to you. There is the FOMO Clips Unlimited at $67, the FOMO Clips Access to All Pass at $67, and the white label version, which is $197. And basically what that does, it gives you a 25 license resell. And then you've got my bonus as well. First of all, there's a couple of examples of how these work, which this one here is for, say, a restaurant or a food where the burgers just drop in, like say animated, so people scroll and see what happens when they land on these types of videos. And this one is basically advertising Black Friday, where it pops up this Black Friday thing with a noise as well. So that's how these like short little videos work, these clips. So my bonuses that I have, if you decide to pick up FOMO Clips through my link, the first bonus I have is the YouTube's ad course, which gives you more information about putting advertisements out with your over YouTube videos. And that's the first one. And my second bonus is a content curation hack, which helps you to basically get more content, repurposing other people's content and using it as your own. And that's my content curation hack. And my third bonus is how to build your buyers list while actually profiting. So this is my third bonus. And a fourth bonus I have is a special invite, which is a special invite to a web class where you can learn more about how to start your own YouTube channel and do affiliate marketing. So that's a free web class and it's a special invite, and you won't find this anywhere else because it's my special invite to this free web class. Now, the fifth bonus is all of the vendor bonuses will still be available if you decide to pick up FOMO Clip through my link, the first link in the description box below. So that is the bonuses I have available. Now, if you do purchase the FOMO Clips, which is via JVZoo, you will receive a receipt that would look like this. And at the bottom of the receipt, there's a little blue button, and that is where you will be able to access or get access to the bonuses that I've just explained. So that's my bonus page. Now let's have a look at the sales page before we go over and check out the demo for FOMO Clips. So here we are on the sales page for FOMO Clips. And the first thing is there is a video there that plays how it basically runs through some of the software and how it works. It shows you some actual advertisements that they put together or actual posts. So that's the first thing you find on the sales page. And then you've got I think there's a few testimonials down here as well, but obviously it's telling you all the different options where you can create and sell videos to local clients on Fiverr or Upwork, keep 100% of the profits because you've got your commercial license included. So this is how you would see these small clips. See, this one is Christmassy with Santas floating around. And it just basically means that when people are scrolling on their phone or, you know, on their laptop or whatever, and on their social media, it immediately draws their eyes to this advertisement because it's different. It's got this moving object that's in front of them. So this is how it works. Basically, you're choosing from already made templates. Then you edit and then brand and market and then you publish, and it's basically a step-by-step process which I've checked out, and it looks reasonably easy to do. So here is what other people who have used FOMO Clips and what they have to say. So this person here is saying it's simple, it's incredible. It works in video animations. The video adds for himself and clients, and he can tell that the software is hands down the most powerful and simple animation software he's seen. So that's one testimonial there. So, you know, this software is something that's obviously very powerful if you are a content creator and want more eyes on your posts. It will obviously help to get more engagement on different platforms because obviously they do come in different sizes. So for example, say here, this one here where there's this astronaut who is doing some sort of dance move, So that is how what FOMO Clips looks like. Now, on my what we're going to do at the end of this video, what I'm going to do is we'll have the demo video for you. So we can do the demo video next. Now, we'll go over there now.
Hey guys, welcome to this quick demonstration of FOMO Clips software. So as soon as you log in, you would be presented with this beautiful dashboard. To create your first FOMO clip, head over to the template section. Here you would be presented all the templates which we have in our library. So for example, if you want to edit this template, just click on it, give your campaign a name. So for example, demo campaign, click create. And you can also edit the text. You can change the image just by clicking it, or you can change the number of likes, change the text, fresh stock, or add emojis. So I'll just add an emoji over here. You can fill this up with content. And if you want to make this ad friendly, suppose if you're planning to run ads using this template, so just make it switch on and this would automatically become ad friendly. You can also switch on and off the dark mode. So let us switch on the dark mode. In the next step, you would be able to choose and customize the character. So for example, this was the preloaded character. You can always choose a new character. So if you want this angel, or if you want these burgers, once you're satisfied with the video which you have created, just click next. Click on render. Now the status is showing as pending. Just come back to this page, refresh it after 5 minutes, and you would be able to get the download link. So here we have the download link. You can download the video.
So that's it for FOMO Clips. Now if you like these review videos, give me thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to my channel. If you hit the notification bell, then you will be notified anytime I upload a new video to my channel. So that's all I have today. Now see you on the next video. Bye for now.